next presentation will be delivered by Dr. Jana Arbeiter on behalf of the three authors, and she will introduce them. But also, Dr. Jana, I think if you could also give us a very short, first of all, thank you very much for joining us, and thank you very much for giving us your time. I'm not quite sure what is the time there in Slovenia, but by all means, the floor is yours. Please go ahead.
Thank you very much for inviting us and giving us the opportunity to present how we are implementing sustainable development at our faculty, at our university in Slovenia. My other two colleagues are unfortunately not available today to be with us, but nevertheless, today we'll basically talk how Faculty of Social Sciences in Slovenia implements sustainable development in its curricula and what we are trying to do to be more active in that field and trying to build sustainable development from local perspective. So just to start, what the Faculty of Social Sciences is doing, we are one of the main actors and accelerators of sustainable development goals in the university. Our faculty is the largest and most interdisciplinary faculty of social sciences in Slovenia and deals with all three key aspects of sustainable development, meaning social, economic, and of course, environmental development. Our researchers and our professors are actively involved in international networks for sustainable development goals design, education, and also measurement. And they all actively participate in the monitoring and implementation of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Faculty of Social Sciences researchers and of course faculty members have extensive experience and also credentials in global citizenship, education, and transformative learning, which was gained basically through international projects and European projects. So we are trying to somehow strengthen activities related to SDG 4.7 and also SDG 17, and we use these tools for the implementation of all 17 SDGs. Today, I wanted to share with you our project, our recent project, Sustainable Faculty of Social Sciences, which was launched with the aim of sharing the knowledge of all our experts with staff, students, and also civil society. So the main objective of our project is to accelerate the implementation of the sustainable development goals at the university level, which of course includes also raising awareness and identifying and integrating the activities needed to implement the SDGs. We designed the project in three phases. The first phase is identification and mapping, first at the faculty level, and then we hope to extend it to the university level, to identify and map contributions to the SDGs in four key areas. These are education, research, operations and management, and the fourth one, external leadership. In this first phase, we developed a methodology for mapping activities which are connected with different SDGs, identified linkages and interdependencies between and, of course, within SDGs, and identify areas for improvement. The second phase, which is foreseen, is engagement with internal stakeholders, meaning with people who are working at the faculty, planning staff training, curriculum adjustments, and also student activities, which are connected with the implementation of sustainable development goals. The idea in the second phase is to basically improve basic understanding of the SDGs among our staff, because a lot of them do work in the areas that are connected with the SDGs, but they are not aware of it and the importance of sustainable development. The second thing is to build new partnerships between the staff at the faculty, that they work together, connect with each other, identify the synergies. And the third thing, which is also very important in the second phase, is identify strengths, gaps, and also priorities, which will help make our faculty more sustainable. The third phase, which is foreseen in our projects, is external leadership and collaboration with external stakeholders, because of course, as we have heard today during the day, we cannot work alone in implementing SDGs. We have to connect with other stakeholders. We have to cooperate with civil society, with policy, etc. So in this phase, we've foreseen broader engagement of Faculty of Social Sciences with the actual SDGs and the actors who are working in this field, and also provide tools to other faculties within the university that can be used. And last but not least, provide lifelong learning to external stakeholders who would be interested in that. First results after we've launched this project in spring have shown that three phases are very, very interconnected, and implementation of one cannot be done in isolation and without activities in other phases. So the initial mapping revealed that her resources exceeded expectations. We thought that we're doing less than we're actually doing, but no one really saw and had overview what's happening at the faculty. So this mapping really revealed some important things. Faculty potential was identified, and we identified the so-called SDG ID card that became a tool to strengthen the capacity to integrate SDGs into our strategies and also our activities. And this is very much connected to the phase 2, which I was talking about just a bit earlier. First phase also resulted in the active external leadership and collaboration with external stakeholders already, even though we foreseen this collaboration in the third phase, but nevertheless, this collaboration was necessary to enhance areas for improvement. And it also resulted in enhanced interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary cooperation within the University of Ljubljana. So for now, we see our project Sustainable Faculty of Social Science as an important key driver and integral component of the recovery and resilience plan in the post-pandemic period. And the idea is that we will become sort of a driver for a change within the new University of Ljubljana, and also after that in Slovenia at the University. From my side, and thank you for your invitation.
Thank you very much. And we hope next time we will see you possibly in Morocco. So you have to tell your boss colleagues, we would look forward to see you in possibly in Morocco, because our next conference is going to be full in Morocco, and we hope to see you in London anytime you coming to the United Kingdom. We will be very much to host you here at the university. Thank you very much.